This series is going to clear your fundamentals. Watch this till the end. This might sound too basic for you, but you need to watch this even if you are in 8th, 9th or 10th grade because this will build your core understanding. So let's start. In this video, we are going to cover number operations and number line. This is the part 2 of math fundamentals. You can check the math fundamentals playlist in the description. First topic, number operations. What are operations? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. You must have heard of it. Let's forget math for a while. These operations, they have not come out of nowhere. We have not just invented them out of nowhere. Actually, they are a replica of what happens in the real world. Now imagine, let's say you have 5 chocolates and your friend gives you 3 more chocolates. How many total chocolates do you have? That's right, 8. Even if you forget math for a while, you need to calculate the total number of chocolates which you have, right? So you actually did addition operation in this case. Let's say someone who doesn't know math at all. They still do this on a daily basis. Maybe while buying groceries or going for shopping, whether we know it or not, we are doing these mathematical operations. So we have just defined those operations as mathematical operations with using the symbols. So we have different symbols for different kind of operations which we do in our daily life. I have 5 chocolates and someone takes away 2 chocolates from it. So this is a removal process. This removal process is called nothing but subtraction in math. We have not invented these mathematical operations out of nowhere. They are just replica of what the real world operations are. Right, now what are operations? They are symbols used to perform calculations on numbers. So we already know the basic ones: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What does it truly mean? Addition is nothing but combining. Let's say we take two numbers, 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2, we combine them to get 5. Subtraction is nothing but removing. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. That means the first number is the quantity of something which we have. Now minus 1 means that 5 quantity, 1 quantity is removed. So we are left with 4 quantity. This is nothing but the subtraction operation. Let's understand this more clearly. Now here we have addition and subtraction. Let's take addition. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. We have 3 apples, we have 2 apples. We combine them, we just put it together, and then if we count, we will get 5. This is nothing but addition. Now subtraction is removing. 5 apples we have originally, 1 apple is removed. So total we are left with 4 apples. Okay, now let's try to change the order. We have 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Let's write 2 plus 3. Let's change the order. So 2 plus 3 is also 5. We can verify this by doing the same process of combining. We have 2 apples originally. We add 3 more apples to it and we will get 5. That's correct. So in addition, we can change the order and the answer will be same. Now let's try with subtraction. In subtraction, let's say 5 minus 1. Instead of that, we are doing 1 minus 5. So this basically means in the real world, let's say we have 1 apple and we want to remove 5 apples from it, which is obviously not possible. That means in subtraction, if we change the order, we will get a different answer. Now let's take the real world example again. We have 1 apple. How can we remove 5 apples from it? That's right, we cannot do that. But in mathematics, we have defined this as a negative process. So the answer will come in negative. As I explained in the previous video, negative is nothing but the opposite process of positive. So since we got 4 here, if we flip the order, we get minus 4. Now we are clear with addition and subtraction. Let's move on to multiplication. In multiplication, what happens is we are repeating the addition process some number of times. Now let's say we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 6 times. So we are adding 5 to itself 6 times. This will become 5 multiplied by 6. So if there's a number and we are adding itself some number of times, then we can use the multiplication operation. So 5 multiplied the number of times we are adding it, which is 5 multiplied by 6, which is 30. I'll give you a real world example. Let's say you have 6 5 rupee coins in your wallet. You want to calculate the total amount. Now one thing is you can just keep on adding it, 5 plus 5 plus 5. Instead of that, to make it easy, you can just multiply. So 5 rupee coins multiplied by 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. Now, what is division? Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Let's take 10 divided by. Now, what does this mean in the real world? Let's say you have 10 chocolates and you want to divide it between you and your friend. So 10 chocolates divided by 2. The answer is 5. So each one gets 5 chocolates. So how are we doing repeated subtraction over here? We are taking 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Until we get 0, we keep on subtracting. So the original number is the first number. We keep on subtracting 2 from it until we get 0. This is the remainder. When the remainder is 0, that means we divided it perfectly. Let's say we have to multiply 23 into 16. Now what we will do, 6 3s are 18, 18, 6 2s are 12, 13, 0, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. Now we are adding this. Why we are adding? Because multiplication is repeated addition. So we will get 8, 6, 3, 368. Same reason, in long division, let's say we have 128 divided by 2, 2 6 are 12, minus 0, 8 comes down, now 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 0. Why do we subtract in long division? Because division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Now number line. What is a number line? Number line is a series of numbers in ascending order from negative numbers to positive numbers and 0 at the center. Now we know that numbers are infinite. There is no end to numbers. If you take 1000 as the highest number, there will be 1001. You can keep on adding 1 to get the new number. So the numbers are endless. There is no end, even in the positive side and also in the negative side. So in number line, we represent 0 in the center and we go to the positive side on the right, left side negative. And they are in ascending order. That means if you take even from here, minus 4, minus 2 is bigger than this, minus 2 is bigger than this, minus 1 is bigger. So if you keep on adding 1 to them, you will get the next number. Why do we need number line? We need number line to visualize the order of the numbers. So this is the order of the numbers. And also to visualize the number operations like addition, subtraction and all. That was it for this video. In the next video, we will be continuing with the operations of number line. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.